Let's make some wings. All right, y'all. It's game day and we want some wings. I've got about 4 pounds of wingettes. And to that, I'm going to add adobo seasoning, sazon, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, a little cayenne pepper, and just a tad bit of mustard. Now I'm going to give this a good mix, and we're going to let it marinate for an hour and get it into the fryer. Isn't that pretty? All right, y'all. Let's let these babies fry. Now it's time to get these babies out of the fryer. They're a nice, pretty little golden brown, not as quite dark as I would like for them to be. So I'm going to take them out, let them sit for a few minutes, and then I'm going to give them a second fry to get that color that I really, really want. So I'm letting these sit for a few minutes, and then I'm going to give them a second fry. And there we go. Look at there. Beautiful. That's the color that I want right there. And what do you know? At the last minute, I decided I wanted to make some buffalo wings. So in the sauce we go. But I wasn't finished there. Cut up some home fries and drop some of those too. But just like my chicken, it's not quite the color I want. So I'm going to let these sit for a few minutes, and guess what? We are going to drop them again because we want a golden brown French fry with a nice crispy texture. And look, there it is. Just what I'm looking for. Great for these buffalo wings, and I am so ready. But you can't have homemade fries without what? Lowry's seasoned salt. So that's what's going on top, and we're going to be ready to eat. We're ready for game day.